Baby, I know just how you're feeling, 'cause I'm feeling the same way too. I guess you could say the thrill is gone, and now we're wondering what we should do. Well, I've been thinking about it lately, and there's something that I gotta say. I'm ready to make some changes, but I'm not ready to walk away. Let's take a walk in the park, baby. It's a simple thing, I know that's true, but who knows, we might find us holding hands and talking like we used to do. I don't know if it'll take us back to where we were when we first met, but I'm not ready to give up on us yet. Well, we should have seen this coming. We've been living such separate lives. You might think we've gone too far, but honey, don't you realize it's not a hopeless situation if we just open up our hearts. So if you're ready to make some changes, I know a good place to start. Let's take a walk in the park, baby. It's a simple thing, I know it's true, but who knows, we might find us holding hands and talking like we